This is our 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. Going to come in the beautiful velvet red clear coat, LED headlights up front, as well as the LED running lights, the fog lights as well. Under the hood, you're going to have the 3.6 liter V6, which is just going to have around 104,000 miles on the odometer, so a ton of life left in it. Right down there, you're going to have 18-inch wheels with some really well-equipped all-season tires. This is going to be a four-wheel drive vehicle, so the all-season tires are going to match perfectly with that. You're going to have chrome accents all around the vehicle with the side markers, the door handles, and more. Those side markers are also going to be heated so that if there's any snow, it'll thaw right off. You also have the roof rack up top, so you can put a ski rack, cargo rack, whatever you like. Coming to the back now, you can have a backup camera and park sense as well, so that if you get too close to anything, it will beep at you and let you know. But coming in the trunk, open that up now, and check out how much space you have back here. You have the privacy cover, and right back here, you're gonna have a ton of storage. You have some of your floor mats. And as you can see, those seats back there do fold down 60-40 split to give you the maximum storage capacity. But coming into the back seat now, as you can see, really nice, ton of space back here. Gonna have the black leather all the way around. Also, if you look up, you're gonna have the panoramic sunroof as well. Coming to the front now, and you are welcome to a really nice interior. Gonna have black leather up here as well, which are going to be heated steering wheel as well. Bunch of buttons on that steering wheel to control the dashboard. Uconnect 4 system, gonna have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and so much more. Taking a look at all of the climate control options, and right down here, you're gonna have your driving mode options as well. This is just gonna come in at around $16,745. So if you're interested, please give us a call at any time.